Example 4.2. If the magnetic field is parallel to positive y-axis and charged particle is moving along the positive x-axis, which way would the Lorentz force be for an electron as well as for proton? Okay, first we'll try to visualize. Magnetic field is along y-axis, right? Parallel means, okay, we will take along y-axis and particle velocity is moving along positive x-axis. Movement of the particle along x-axis matlab velocity is along x-axis. The force experienced by charged particle, that is Lorentz force, given by F equal to Q into V cross B. Now, velocity along positive x-axis. So, V equal to V into I cap. Similarly, magnetic field is along y-axis. So, vector B becomes V into J cap. Cross product we want V cross B. That is equal to V into I cap cross B into J cap. VB I cap cross J cap equal to K cap. Therefore, V cross B becomes VB K cap. Direction is along Z axis. Now we'll come to the question for proton. F equal to plus Q into VB K cap, QVB plus K cap. So proton force is acting along positive Z axis. For electron, charge is minus Q inside VBK. Minus K cap means electron experiences by a force along negative Z axis.